guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I will be using some things that I pulled out of my stash. It's some scrapbook stuff that I had picked up many years ago, and it is by David Walker. He was the designer, and it was by Colorbok. And so this is the Bees and Flowers collection. So it has this border strip here. Here's a sticker sheet. It's really super cute. These are more like cardstock stickers. Really cute. And then all of these patterns of paper that went with it. So I'm going to pull for these things, and let's get this stuff cleared off and get started. Guys, so here's my final spread. I think it turned out really super cute. I went ahead and left the pattern here. I just thought it looked okay with that. And yeah, I just think the colors are really pretty. I love the watercolor prints on the pattern paper. And I just love all the coordinating stickers and borders here. So I just think it turned out really cute. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.